I want to talk about Antarctica.
As they get closer to the mound, they see something that they can't unsee.
Are almost 350 feet across and 500 feet deep.
In a world where the past often reveals secrets buried deep beneath layers of time, few places hold as much mystery as Antarctica. Imagine a civilization so ancient, preserved under miles of ice, waiting to tell its story. Could Antarctica be the key to unlocking our understanding of early human history or even extraterrestrial contact? This frozen continent, known for its extreme conditions, may harbor remnants of a civilization that once thrived in a climate far different from today. Join us as we delve into the captivating theories and controversial discoveries surrounding this icy enigma. Number 1. Coldest place on Earth. Antarctica, often regarded as the coldest place on Earth, is a continent shrouded in mystery and extreme climatic conditions. It is a vast, icy expanse that holds the record for the lowest temperature ever recorded on our planet, a staggering -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, -89.2 degrees Celsius, at Vostok Station in July 1983. This frigid environment is not just a geographical oddity. It plays a critical role in the Earth's climate system and has significant implications for global weather patterns. The harsh conditions of Antarctica are due to its high elevation and its position at the South Pole, where it is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. The continent is covered by a thick ice sheet, which contains about 60% of the world's fresh water. This ice sheet can reach depths of over 2 miles in some areas, creating a stark landscape that is both beautiful and treacherous. The extreme cold and isolation have made it a challenging environment for scientific research, yet it is precisely these conditions that have preserved ancient ice cores, offering insights into Earth's climatic history. Scientists study these ice cores to understand past climate changes and to predict future trends. The layers of ice contain trapped air bubbles that provide a snapshot of the atmosphere from thousands of years ago, revealing crucial information about greenhouse gas concentrations and temperature fluctuations. Such research is vital for comprehending the ongoing impacts of climate change and the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Despite its inhospitable nature, Antarctica is not devoid of life. It hosts a unique array of organisms adapted to survive in extreme conditions, including various species of penguins, seals, and microscopic life. The resilience of life in such an environment fascinates researchers and highlights the adaptability of nature. Moreover, Antarctica's extreme conditions have sparked theories about ancient civilizations that may have existed when the continent was ice-free. Speculation about lost civilizations, including connections to myths like Atlantis, fuels the imagination and invites exploration into the unknown. While the scientific community remains cautious about such claims, the intrigue surrounding Antarctica continues to inspire curiosity and investigation. As we grapple with the implications of climate change and its effects on polar regions, understanding Antarctica becomes increasingly crucial. This coldest place on Earth is not just a barren wasteland. It is a vital component of our planet's ecological balance and a key to unlocking the secrets of our history. Exploring its depths and unraveling its mysteries may lead to discoveries that change our understanding. Number 2. Hypotheses of ancient civilizations. The topic of ancient civilizations has long captivated historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts alike, leading to various hypotheses regarding their existence and development. These theories often challenge conventional narratives about human history and seek to explore the possibility that advanced societies thrived long before recorded history. Among the most intriguing of these hypotheses is the idea that civilizations may have existed in regions that are now submerged or buried, particularly in places like Antarctica. One prominent hypothesis suggests that Antarctica was once a lush and habitable landmass, home to dynamic societies that flourished during a warmer climatic period. This theory is bolstered by ancient maps, such as the Piri Reis map, which some claim depicts Antarctica without ice, indicating that it was known to earlier civilizations. The notion that ancient peoples possessed advanced geographical knowledge raises questions about the extent of their exploration and understanding of the world. Furthermore, proponents of this theory often draw parallels between various ancient cultures, such as the Egyptians, Sumerians, and the Maya, arguing that they shared similar architectural and technological advancements. Some researchers propose that these civilizations may have been connected or influenced by a common source of knowledge, possibly derived from a now-lost civilization. This leads to speculation about the role of migration and cultural diffusion in shaping human history. Another fascinating line of inquiry involves theories of extraterrestrial influence. Some advocates of ancient astronaut theories propose that advanced beings visited Earth in the distant past, imparting wisdom and technology to early humans. This idea often intersects with the concept of lost civilizations, as it suggests that these beings may have established settlements or left behind remnants of their advanced culture on Earth, including in places like Antarctica. Skeptics, however, caution against jumping to conclusions based on speculation and anecdotal evidence. They argue that while the stories of lost civilizations are compelling, they often lack the concrete archaeological evidence needed to substantiate such claims. The scientific community emphasizes the importance of rigorous research and verification before accepting these hypotheses as fact. The allure of ancient civilizations continues to inspire exploration and research. Ongoing archaeological efforts in various parts of the world, including the potential discovery of hidden structures beneath the Antarctic ice, keep the conversation alive. As technology advances and methods improve, there is hope that new evidence may emerge to either support or refute these fascinating hypotheses. Number 3. Piri Reis map.
One of the famous maps is the Piri Reis map.
The Piri Reis map, created by the Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis in 1513, is a fascinating artifact that has intrigued historians, cartographers, and conspiracy theorists alike. This map, drawn on a piece of gazelle skin parchment, provides a remarkably accurate depiction of parts of Europe, North Africa, and the coastlines of Brazil and Antarctica, despite being created in an era when much of the world was still unknown to European explorers. What makes the Piri Reis map particularly captivating is its depiction of the northern coastline of Antarctica, a continent not officially discovered until 1820. The map shows this region as ice-free, which has led to various theories about ancient civilizations and advanced maritime knowledge. Some proponents suggest that the map is evidence of a lost civilization with advanced geographical understanding, possibly dating back to a time when Antarctica was ice-free. This idea is supported by the map's detailed representation of geographical features that align with modern observations, suggesting a level of sophistication not typically attributed to the early 16th century. Critics, however, argue that the map is a compilation of multiple sources, some of which may have been flawed or misinterpreted. They suggest that the depiction of Antarctica could be a result of mistaken identity, confusing it with other southern landmasses. Additionally, skeptics point out that the map's accuracy might be due to the use of earlier maps, potentially from unknown or forgotten sources, rather than evidence of an ancient, advanced civilization. The Piri Reis map also raises questions about the capabilities and knowledge of early explorers. It incorporates information from various sources, including maps from Christopher Columbus's journeys and other now-lost charts. The blending of these sources into a coherent and detailed map indicates a high level of cartographic skill and suggests that the mapmakers of the time had access to a broader range of information than previously thought. The Piri Reis map remains an extraordinary piece of historical cartography into the exploration and scientific knowledge of the early 16th century, and continues to fuel discussions about ancient civilizations and their understanding of the world. Whether viewed as a testament to the cartographic skill of its time, the map undeniably adds a layer of mystery to our understanding of history. As research continues, it may yet reveal more about the enigmatic past and the civilizations that navigated the uncharted waters of the ancient world. Number 4. Satellite imagery. Satellite imagery has revolutionized our understanding of the Earth, offering unprecedented insight into both natural landscapes and human-made structures. These high-resolution images, captured by satellites orbiting thousands of miles above the planet, have become essential tools in various fields, including environmental monitoring, urban planning, archaeology, and even the search for evidence of ancient civilizations. One of the most intriguing applications of satellite imagery is its use in exploring Antarctica, the coldest and most remote continent on Earth. The harsh conditions and thick ice cover make traditional exploration extremely challenging. However, satellite images have provided new ways to study this icy frontier, revealing features not easily visible from the ground. In recent years, some enthusiasts and researchers have speculated that satellite imagery might show evidence of ancient civilizations buried beneath the Antarctic ice. In 2006, Google Earth users discovered a formation in Antarctica, sparking theories about a lost civilization on the continent. While scientists quickly dismissed this as a natural phenomenon known as pareidolia, where the mind perceives familiar patterns where none exist, the discovery highlighted the power of satellite imagery in fueling both scientific inquiry and speculative theories. These images have also been used to suggest the existence of pyramid-like structures beneath the Antarctic ice, drawing comparisons to the pyramids found in Egypt and Central America. However, most scientists attribute these formations to natural processes such as erosion and wind patterns unique to the region. The ability of satellite imagery to reveal hidden features beneath the ice has inspired a new wave of exploration and research. For instance, advanced satellite technology has been used to map subglacial lakes and rivers, providing insight into Antarctica's hidden hydrology and its role in global climate systems. This technology has also been pivotal in monitoring changes in the continent's ice sheets, contributing to our understanding of climate change and its impact on sea level rise. Beyond Antarctica, satellite imagery has been instrumental in uncovering ancient structures and settlements around the world. In the dense jungles of Central America, satellites have identified hidden Mayan cities, while in the deserts of Egypt, they have detected buried pyramids and towns. These discoveries not only shed light on ancient civilizations, but also demonstrate the potential of satellite technology to transform archaeology. Number 5. Advanced knowledge. The topic of advanced knowledge often intersects with discussions about ancient civilizations and their abilities, which sometimes appear to surpass what we typically associate with their historical timeline. This idea suggests that some ancient cultures may have possessed sophisticated understanding or technology that allowed them to achieve remarkable feats in architecture, astronomy, and other fields. One of the most debated examples of advanced knowledge is the construction of monumental structures, such as the pyramids of Egypt. The precision with which these were built, particularly their alignment with cardinal points and celestial bodies, suggests a deep understanding of geometry and astronomy. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, is aligned to true north, with an accuracy that is difficult to achieve even with modern technology. This has led some to speculate whether the ancient Egyptians had access to advanced surveying tools or mathematical knowledge that has since been lost. Similarly, the ancient Indus Valley civilization displayed advanced urban planning and engineering skills. Their cities, such as Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, were laid out in a grid pattern with advanced drainage and sewage systems that were unparalleled at the time. The standardization of weights and measures across such a large area also indicates a complex understanding of mathematics and administration. In addition to architectural and engineering feats, ancient texts from various cultures also hint at advanced knowledge. The Vedic texts of ancient India, for example, include detailed descriptions of astronomical phenomena and mathematical concepts, such as zero and the decimal system. These texts also mention vimanas, which are interpreted by some as ancient flying machines, sparking theories of advanced technology or even extraterrestrial influence. The Piri Reis map is another artifact often cited in discussions of ancient advanced knowledge. Created in 1513, it depicts parts of the world with surprising accuracy, including regions that were not officially discovered until later. Some interpretations suggest that it is based on even older maps, potentially indicating a level of geographic knowledge far beyond what was previously assumed possible for the time. While mainstream archaeology and history typically attribute these achievements to the ingenuity and gradual accumulation of knowledge by ancient peoples, alternative theories propose that these civilizations might have had contact with a more advanced civilization, be it a lost human society or extraterrestrial beings, that shared their knowledge. These theories remain speculative and controversial, but continue to inspire interest and debate. Number 6. Atlantis Connection. The legend of Atlantis has fascinated scholars, researchers, and enthusiasts for centuries, serving as a tantalizing narrative that suggests the existence of a highly advanced civilization that mysteriously vanished. First mentioned by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, Atlantis was described as a powerful and technologically advanced island located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, generally believed to be the Strait of Gibraltar. Plato depicted it as a utopian society, rich in resources and culture, but ultimately succumbing to moral decay and divine retribution, leading to its catastrophic demise. The enduring allure of Atlantis has inspired numerous theories regarding its possible historical location and the nature of its advanced knowledge. Some researchers posit that Atlantis could have been located in the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, or even Antarctica. The latter speculation arises from the idea that Antarctica, once ice-free, may have harbored a flourishing civilization, potentially linked to Plato's accounts. This hypothesis aligns with the notion that ancient peoples possessed advanced geographical knowledge, evident in artifacts like the Piri Reis map, which depicts a detailed representation of Antarctica without ice. The Atlantis connection also extends to various ancient cultures that exhibit similarities in architecture, mythology, and technological achievements. Number 7. Extraterrestrial theories. Extraterrestrial theories have captivated the human imagination for decades, inspiring countless works of fiction, documentaries, and scientific inquiries into the possibility of life beyond Earth. These theories often suggest that advanced extraterrestrial beings have visited our planet, influenced human civilization, or even interacted with ancient cultures in ways that have shaped our history and technologies. While the scientific community remains cautious about these claims, the allure of extraterrestrial theories continues to provoke curiosity and speculation. One of the most popular aspects of extraterrestrial theories is the idea that ancient civilizations may have had contact with alien visitors. Proponents of this theory argue that certain archaeological discoveries and ancient texts contain evidence of such interactions. For example, the construction of monumental structures like the pyramids of Egypt and the megalithic sites of Stonehenge are often cited as feats that could not have been accomplished by the technological capabilities of their time. Some theorists propose that these structures were built with the assistance of advanced extraterrestrial beings who provided knowledge or technology far beyond human understanding. Additionally, ancient texts and myths from various cultures frequently describe beings that resemble modern interpretations of extraterrestrials. The Vimana, from ancient Indian texts for instance, is often described as a flying machine, leading some to speculate that these accounts reflect actual encounters with alien technology. Similarly, the biblical account of Ezekiel's vision, which describes a flying chariot, has been interpreted by some as an extraterrestrial encounter. These interpretations often blur the line between mythology and historical fact, fueling the belief that ancient humans had knowledge of advanced beings. Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life has intensified in recent years with advancements in technology and space exploration. The discovery of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments, has expanded our understanding of where life might exist beyond Earth. Missions to Mars and the exploration of moons like Europa and Enceladus, which harbor subsurface oceans, have raised the possibility of finding microbial life. As scientists continue to search for signs of life in the cosmos, the question of whether we are alone in the universe remains a tantalizing mystery. Theories of extraterrestrial influence also extend to modern phenomena such as UFO sightings and alleged abductions. Numerous individuals claim to have witnessed unidentified flying objects or experienced encounters with extraterrestrial beings. While many of these reports lack substantial evidence, they contribute to the ongoing fascination with the possibility of alien life and the potential for contact. Number 8. Scientific skepticism. Scientific skepticism is a fundamental aspect of the scientific method, characterized by critical thinking, rigorous questioning, and a demand for evidence before accepting claims as true. This approach is vital in distinguishing between scientifically valid ideas and those based on speculation, anecdote, or pseudoscience. In an age where information is readily accessible, yet often misleading, scientific skepticism serves as a safeguard against misinformation and an essential tool for advancing knowledge. At its core, scientific skepticism involves a careful analysis of evidence and a willingness to revise beliefs in light of new data. It encourages individuals to question the validity of claims, whether they pertain to health, technology, or historical events. For example, claims regarding ancient civilizations, extraterrestrial encounters, or lost technologies often attract considerable attention, but scientific skeptics emphasize the need for empirical evidence before accepting such assertions. They argue that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, a principle that underlies scientific inquiry. In the context of archaeological discoveries and theories about lost civilizations, scientific skepticism plays a crucial role in evaluating the credibility of claims. For instance, while the idea that Antarctica may have once supported an advanced civilization is intriguing, skeptics point out the lack of concrete archaeological evidence to support this hypothesis. They stress that many of the structures or formations proposed as evidence of ancient civilizations are often natural phenomena misinterpreted due to pareidolia or other cognitive biases. Moreover, scientific skepticism encourages a multidisciplinary approach to understanding complex issues. By integrating insights from various fields, such as geology, anthropology, and history, researchers can develop a more comprehensive understanding of past events and civilizations. This collaborative effort helps to ensure that conclusions are based on rigorous analysis rather than speculation. Another important aspect of scientific skepticism is the recognition of cognitive biases that can distort our understanding. Confirmation bias, for instance, leads individuals to favor information that supports their pre-existing beliefs while disregarding contradictory evidence. Scientific skeptics advocate for awareness of these biases and the importance of considering alternative explanations for phenomena. Furthermore, scientific skepticism is not about dismissing ideas outright. Rather, it involves a willingness to explore and test hypotheses. It promotes an open-minded approach to inquiry, encouraging researchers to pursue evidence-based conclusions while remaining critical of unsubstantiated claims. This balance is crucial for fostering a healthy scientific discourse that advances our understanding of the world. Number 9. Harsh conditions. The term harsh conditions often evoke images of extreme environments where survival is a constant struggle against the elements. Such environments can be found in various parts of the world, including deserts, Arctic tundras, high mountain ranges, and remote islands. These regions present challenges that test the resilience of both human beings and the flora and fauna that inhabit them. Understanding the implications of these harsh conditions is crucial for appreciating the adaptability of life and the impact on human activity. One of the most extreme examples of harsh conditions is found in Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. Temperatures can plummet to -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, -89.2 degrees Celsius, creating an environment where only the hardiest organisms can survive. The continent is covered by a thick ice sheet, which can be several miles deep and creates a stark, barren landscape. The extreme cold, combined with fierce winds that can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour, makes it a formidable place for exploration and scientific research. These conditions pose significant challenges to scientists who work in Antarctica, necessitating specialized training and equipment to ensure safety and success in their research endeavors. High-altitude environments, such as the Himalayas, also exemplify harsh conditions. At elevations above 8,000 meters, 26,247 feet, the atmosphere is thin, leading to reduced oxygen levels that can result in altitude sickness for those unaccustomed to such heights. The extreme cold, unpredictable weather, and the risk of avalanches make climbing these mountains a formidable challenge, yet they continue to attract adventurers and mountaineers drawn by the allure of conquering the world's highest peaks. Harsh conditions also impact human activities, from agriculture to infrastructure development. Regions that experience extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, floods, or droughts, face additional challenges in terms of disaster preparedness and recovery. Climate change is exacerbating many of these conditions, leading to more frequent and severe weather events that threaten ecosystems and human livelihoods. Number 10. Ongoing research. Ongoing research in Antarctica plays a crucial role in advancing our understanding of climate change, ecosystems, and the history of our planet. As the southernmost continent, Antarctica is unique in its extreme conditions, making it a valuable natural laboratory for scientists from various disciplines. The research conducted here not only sheds light on the continent itself, but also provides insights applicable to global environmental issues. One of the primary areas of research in Antarctica is climate change. Scientists study ice cores extracted from deep within ice sheets to analyze trapped air bubbles, which provide a historical record of atmospheric composition and temperature over hundreds of thousands of years. This data is vital for understanding past climate fluctuations and predicting future trends. For instance, researchers have discovered that the rate of ice melting in Antarctica has accelerated in recent decades, contributing to rising sea levels and highlighting the urgency of addressing climate change. Another significant focus of ongoing research is the unique ecosystems that thrive in Antarctica. Despite the harsh conditions, a variety of life forms, including microorganisms, penguins, seals, and whales, have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Researchers examine these ecosystems to understand how species interact with one another and their environment, as well as how they respond to climate change. Studies on the impact of warming temperatures on krill populations, a keystone species in the Antarctic food web, are particularly crucial, as changes in krill abundance can have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. Additionally, scientists investigate the geology and paleoclimate history of Antarctica. By studying rock formations and sediments, researchers can reconstruct the continent's geological past and its role in global climate patterns. Understanding how Antarctica has changed over millions of years can provide valuable context for current climate changes and their implications for the planet. Ongoing research in Antarctica also includes monitoring the effects of human activity. As tourism and scientific expeditions increase in the region, researchers are examining the impact on local wildlife and ecosystems. Establishing sustainable practices and minimizing human footprints is essential for preserving the fragile environment of Antarctica. International collaboration is a hallmark of Antarctic research, with scientists from various countries working together under the Antarctic Treaty System, which promotes peaceful scientific exploration and conservation. This cooperative spirit is vital for addressing global challenges such as climate change and biodiversity loss, as findings from Antarctic research can inform policies and strategies worldwide.
Number 20. Ancient rainforest. Antarctica, for millions of years, has been characterized by its extreme cold, ice sheets, and barren landscapes. However, there is geological evidence to suggest that in the distant past, during the Cretaceous period around 90 million years ago, parts of Antarctica were indeed forested. Fossilized remains of plants and even dinosaur bones have been unearthed, indicating that a temperate rainforest-like environment may have existed. The climate was vastly different then, with Antarctica situated much further north with the South Pole. This ancient ecosystem likely hosted diverse flora and fauna. But with the heavy climate change happening, we are sure that in some million years to come, Antarctica will become an evergreen continent again. Number 19. Blood waterfall. Can anything be scarier than a massive sea of red blood? Beneath the unforgiving Antarctic ice, a spectacle unfolds in haunting silence. There, amid the frozen expanse, the blood waterfall weeps deep red tears. The blood falls in Antarctica is a mesmerizing natural phenomenon, nestled within the icy expanse of the Taylor Glacier in the McMurdo Dry Valleys. This unique spectacle gets its name from its striking resemblance to cascading blood, owing to its vivid crimson hue. The origin of this eerie coloring lies in a subglacial lake, isolated for over 1 million years, devoid of light and oxygen. Deep within the lake, iron-rich brine interacts with the oxygen in the air, resulting in the oxidation of the iron. This chemical reaction gives rise to the dramatic red pigment, which is then released in a dramatic outflow. These blood falls serve as a captivating window into Earth's ancient past, providing scientists with a unique opportunity to study extremophiles, organisms that thrive in harsh, unforgiving environments. This remarkable feature of blood water in Antarctica shows the hidden wonders that our planet holds, showcasing the beauty and complexity even in the most forbidding of environments. Number 18. The Crystal City. Countless tales and myths speak of the underground city Agartha, a legendary subterranean civilization that has been the subject of much speculation and controversy. However, it has captured the imagination of many, and the alleged accounts of Birds, who is an American naval officer and explorer, encounters with Agartha have become a topic of interest in certain circles. According to the legend, Agartha is said to be a hidden world located beneath the Earth's surface, inhabited by advanced beings who possess advanced technology and wisdom beyond that of surface-dwelling humans. The claim linking Admiral Byrd to Agartha arises from an alleged diary attributed to him, which describes an extraordinary journey he undertook in the early 1940s. According to this story, Byrd embarked on a highly classified expedition to the North Pole, which he claimed to have extended beyond the pole itself, leading him into an entirely different world. Byrd purportedly described an astonishing experience in which he encountered a lush green landscape with a temperate climate, far removed from the frozen Arctic he expected. He claimed to have encountered beings who greeted him in a friendly and hospitable manner. These beings, according to the story, were representatives of Agartha. The narrative continues to describe Admiral Byrd's interaction with the inhabitants of Agartha, who were said to possess advanced technology, including flying dishes, like craft. Byrd was led by their master, who conveyed to him their concern for humanity's destructive tendencies and emphasized the importance of peace and harmony. He warned Byrd of a brewing storm that would brew the Earth if we didn't live in peace. Number 17. Giant Egg. Buried beneath layers of ancient ice, a colossal egg, unlike any seen before, emerged from its icy tomb. This enigmatic artifact measured an astounding 2 meters in height and emitted an otherworldly iridescence, captivating the team of intrepid researchers who unearthed it. Speculation ran wild about the origin of this giant egg. Some conjectured it to be a relic from a prehistoric species, while others entertained the possibility of extraterrestrial involvement. The egg's surface bore intricate patterns, resembling a mosaic of celestial constellations, further deepening the mystery. Scientists from around the globe converged to study this unprecedented find. Radiocarbon dating yielded perplexing results, indicating an age far beyond any known species. This further shows that life indeed flourished in Antarctica. Number 16. A frozen ship. The long-lost ship of the renowned explorer Ernest Shackleton, named the Endurance, was discovered in the frozen expanses of Antarctica. This historic vessel, which played a pivotal role in Shackleton's ill-fated Imperial Trans-Antarctic expedition of 1914 to 1917, had been lost to the icy depths of the Weddell Sea for over a century. The remarkably well-preserved wreck of the ship unveiled details about the construction and design of the Endurance, which shed light on the challenges faced by Shackleton and his crew as they battled the relentless Antarctic elements. The ship's recovery also rekindled interest in Shackleton's legendary leadership and the extraordinary feats of endurance displayed by his team in their fight for survival. Shackleton's saga, characterized by unwavering determination and camaraderie, has become a beacon of resilience in the face of adversity. Number 15. A complete dinosaur fossil. Now here is an extraordinary discovery. In recent years, an extraordinary discovery has emerged from the frozen expanse of Antarctica, the near-complete fossil of a dinosaur. This remarkable find offers a rare window into the ancient world, providing invaluable insights into prehistoric life on the southernmost continent. The fossil, believed to be from the late Cretaceous period, astounded paleontologists with its pristine preservation. The specimen is estimated to be around 70 million years old and belongs to a previously unknown species of theropod, a group of carnivorous dinosaurs. Its well-preserved bones have enabled scientists to reconstruct its anatomy with exceptional detail, shedding light on its size, posture, and potential behavior. The discovery holds immense significance for our understanding of dinosaurian biodiversity and adaptation to polar environments. It challenges previous notions about the distribution and diversity of dinosaurs during this period. The find also prompts intriguing questions about the climatic conditions of ancient Antarctica, suggesting it may not have been the frozen wasteland we envision today. Number 14. Penguin Mummy. The emperor penguin is known for their migration ability, especially in cold, waterlogged regions, so it's no surprise a mummy of this animal was discovered. What would have thrown us off our feet is if the mummy of a lion or an elephant was found in a continent like the Antarctica. In a groundbreaking discovery in Antarctica, this astonishing discovery of a mummified penguin sheds light on the ancient history of these fascinating creatures, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. The mummy, believed to be thousands of years old, provides invaluable insights into the evolutionary adaptations of penguins to the harsh polar environment. The perfectly preserved specimen, encased in ice and permafrost, offers a rare opportunity for scientists to study the physical characteristics and anatomy of an ancient penguin species. The feathers, beak, and skeletal structure remain remarkably intact, allowing researchers to piece together vital information about its behavior, diet, and habitat. Additionally, DNA analysis could offer crucial genetic data, potentially unveiling evolutionary patterns and relationships within the penguin family tree. This discovery opens a new chapter in our understanding of these enigmatic birds. Number 13. Glacial retreat. The scientific discovery of glacial retreat in Antarctica has unveiled the profound impacts of climate change on our planet's polar regions. Through satellite observations and field studies, researchers have documented the accelerated melting of vast ice sheets and glaciers, leading to rising sea levels worldwide. Antarctica's glacial retreat signifies a significant loss of ice mass and also triggers interconnected ecological and environmental consequences. As ice shelves break and disintegrate, they disrupt delicate ecosystems, alter ocean currents, and impact marine life. Moreover, the release of fresh water from melting ice can influence ocean salinity and thermohaline circulation, affecting Earth's climate system on a larger scale. Vast understanding and monitoring of this glacial retreat provide critical insights into the intricate dynamics of our changing planet. Number 12. An underground lake. Deep within the frozen expanse of Antarctica lies a remarkable secret, an underground lake concealed beneath layers of ice. Discovered through advanced radar technology, this subglacial marvel known as Lake Vostok captivates scientists worldwide. Its origins trace back millions of years, isolated from the surface by a dome of ice nearly 2 miles thick. Despite extreme cold and immense pressure, the lake's waters remain in a liquid state due to geothermal heat from the Earth's core. Lake Vostok, approximately the size of Lake Ontario, is an isolated ecosystem that has been cut off from the outside world for over 15 million years. Scientists believe this enigmatic habitat may provide unique insights into extremophiles, organisms that adapt to extreme environments. They anticipate discovering new life forms and unlocking clues about Earth's ancient past. However, the delicate nature of this environment calls for cautious exploration to preserve its pristine state and avoid contamination. The mysteries hidden beneath Antarctica's frozen surface continue to unravel, offering glimpses into the planet's enigmatic history. Number 11. Fungi in Antarctica. Fungi in Antarctica face extreme conditions, battling freezing temperatures, limited nutrients, and prolonged darkness. Despite these challenges, scientists have discovered a variety of fungal species thriving on this frozen continent. Many of these fungi belong to the phylum Ascomycota, known for their adaptability to harsh environments. One prominent discovery is the genus Antarctomyces, which has been found in soil and rock samples. These fungi possess unique adaptations that allow them to survive in sub-zero temperatures. They produce antifreeze proteins to prevent ice crystal formation within their cells, enabling them to thrive in Antarctica's icy environment. Additionally, some fungi form symbiotic relationships with plants, aiding their hosts in nutrient uptake and stress tolerance. These remarkable adaptations highlight the resilience of Antarctic fungi and their crucial role in the region's ecosystem, contributing to the overall understanding of life's tenacity in extreme environments. Studying these organisms offers insights into their potential applications in biotechnology, particularly in fields related to cold adaptation and stress tolerance. Number 10. Mysterious cave. Hidden amidst the desolate expanse of frozen Antarctica, a mysterious cave was unearthed. Discovered by a team of intrepid explorers, its existence defied conventional knowledge of the region. The cave's entrance is framed by icicles as if guarding secrets from eons past. Upon entry, an otherworldly spectacle unfolded. Subterranean chambers revealed ancient ice-encrusted relics, their origins lost to time. Unusual geological formations adorned the walls, hinting at a geological history as enigmatic as the cave itself. The air, cool and dense, whispered tales of eons long gone. Further exploration yielded fragments of plants and animals, perfectly preserved in the perpetual frost. Speculations swirled about the cave's potential as an isolated refuge for prehistoric life forms. Yet amidst the awe, a sense of caution pervaded, for the cave's mysteries promised as much danger as they did wonder. This subglacial sanctuary, frozen in time, now stands as a testament to the relentless mysteries Earth still conceals in her icy embrace. Number 9. Icefish Colony. In the frigid expanse of Antarctica, a marvel of nature thrives peacefully beneath the icy surface, the icefish colony. These unique creatures have adapted to the extreme cold, evolving without hemoglobin, the protein responsible for transporting oxygen in most vertebrates. They possess translucent bodies that allow them to absorb oxygen directly from the oxygen-rich Antarctic waters. Living in tightly knit colonies, these fish form a delicate balance of survival. They do this by cooperating. Their cooperative behavior is crucial for warmth, as they huddle together to conserve energy and maintain a stable temperature. Their feeding habits are equally fascinating, as they rely on a diet of small crustaceans and plankton that thrive in harsh conditions. Number 8. Mount Erebus Microbes. Mount Erebus, situated in the frozen expanse of Antarctica, harbors a remarkable ecosystem of extremophiles, including unique microbes. These tenacious organisms have adapted to endure extreme cold and volcanic conditions, showcasing an astonishing resilience. Among them, the Mount Erebus microbes have garnered particular interest from scientists. These microscopic life forms have evolved survival strategies, thriving in the harsh environment around the volcano. They tap into unconventional energy sources such as sulfur compounds to sustain themselves. This ability to subsist in such hostile conditions offers invaluable insights into the potential existence of life beyond Earth. Number 7. Piri Reis Map. The Piri Reis Map is a remarkable historical artifact created by the Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis in 1513. This map gained extraordinary attention due to a peculiar detail, its depiction of a landmass resembling the coastline of Antarctica, a continent not officially discovered until the 19th century. This enigmatic inclusion has spurred various theories and speculations. Some suggest that the map indicates a lost civilization with advanced knowledge or a seafaring culture predating known history. However, mainstream consensus attributes the Antarctic resemblance to coincidental distortions and interpretations of uncharted territories. While intriguing, the map's portrayal of Antarctica remains a subject of debate among historians, geographers, and enthusiasts. It serves as a reminder of the complexities of historical cartography and the mysteries that continue to captivate our imagination. Number 6. Ghostly Sound. In the desolate expanse of the frozen Antarctic, a haunting symphony emerges, a chilling testament to nature's enigmatic forces. Amidst the icy stillness, ethereal gusts whip through jagged peaks, creating an eerie, ghostly sound that reverberates through the vast landscape. Frigid winds howl like restless spirits, weaving through the icy canyons and crevasses. Scientists liken it to singing, but to our ears, its vibrations sound more like the sinister score of a horror movie. The resonance is hauntingly beautiful, a testament to the power and mystery that lies within Earth's most extreme environments. This ghostly sound is a product of the harsh climate, as temperatures plummet to bone-chilling depths, causing the ice to crack and moan under immense pressure. The frozen expanse, seemingly devoid of life, comes alive in this spectral serenade, a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty that exists in the heart of the world's southernmost wilderness. It's a sound that evokes a sense of reverence and awe, offering a glimpse into the profound and enigmatic wonders of Antarctica. Number 5. Ice cores. The ice cores in Antarctica have provided a remarkable window into Earth's climatic history. These cylindrical samples of ice, drilled from deep within the Antarctic ice sheet, reveal layers that encapsulate information spanning hundreds of thousands of years. In it are trapped air bubbles, isotopes, and chemical compositions within these layers. Scientists have unraveled crucial insights into past climate conditions, atmospheric composition, and even the history of human activity. Ice cores have helped establish links between greenhouse gas concentrations and temperature variations over various glacial and interglacial cycles, offering vital context for understanding present-day climate change. Number 4. Microbial life scientists uncovered evidence of thriving microbial life in extremely cold environments. Life on ice. This discovery challenged conventional notions of habitability and expanded our understanding of life's resilience. The discovery involved studying subglacial lakes and ice cores, revealing the presence of diverse microorganisms adapted to extreme cold and darkness. These microbes have developed unique survival strategies, such as metabolizing minerals for energy. Understanding these ecosystems sheds light on the potential for life on other icy celestial bodies like Europa or Enceladus. These findings have implications for climate change research, as microbial activity in Antarctica plays a role in nutrient cycling and greenhouse gas emissions. This discovery highlights the remarkable adaptability of microbial life and its ability to thrive in the most inhospitable conditions. Number 3. An ancient meteorite. In the desolate expanse of frozen Antarctica, a remarkable discovery unfolded as scientists unearthed an ancient meteorite, its origin dating back millions of years ago. Its surface bore the scars of interstellar travel, etched by cosmic forces during its long sojourn through space. As researchers meticulously examined the extraterrestrial artifact, they unraveled a tale of cosmic collisions and celestial evolution. The meteorite's composition hinted at the birth of planets, offering insights into the formation of our solar system. Its icy resting place preserved a time capsule of the early universe, holding clues to Earth's ancient history. This discovery, in the unforgiving ice, bridged the gap between our terrestrial realm and the cosmic expanse beyond. It reaffirmed the notion that even in the remotest corners of our planet, the echoes of the cosmos resonate, reminding us of the profound interconnectedness of all things in the grand tapestry of existence. Number 2. Mysterious hole. In the heart of the frozen expanse of Antarctica, a perplexing enigma emerged. A mysterious hole, shrouded in glacial secrecy. Discovered in the early 1970s when the satellite was capturing the Earth's surface, this enigmatic void defied conventional explanation. Its origins remained an enigma, as though nature itself had etched an enigmatic riddle into the icy terrain. Another fascinating thing about this is how it disappears during the summer and reappears during the blazing winter. Speculation ran wild, with theories ranging from geological phenomena to potential extraterrestrial involvement. Some conjectured that subglacial rivers or thermal vents might be responsible, while others dared to imagine it as an ancient remnant of a forgotten era. The international scientific community united in their pursuit of answers, but with no possibility yet. It will interest you to know that the mysterious hole was given the name Polynae. Number 1. The heat of Antarctica. Heat? On an icy continent? How possible is this? Well, this is surprisingly possible as the heat of Antarctica lies hidden not on the surface but beneath its ice. Deep within the Earth's crust, geothermal energy courses through subglacial channels, generating heat that influences the ice sheet above. This geothermal activity emanates from a complex interplay of tectonic forces, with the Antarctic plate shifting against neighboring plates. This subglacial heat has been a subject of scientific intrigue, impacting ice dynamics and contributing to the stability of ice shelves. This creates subglacial lakes and maintains liquid water under immense pressure. These hidden sources of warmth play a crucial role in understanding the dynamic behavior of Antarctica's ice, which has implications for sea level rise and climate modeling. This phenomenon could lead to loss of ice in the future. Thanks for watching. While you are here, click the video on the screen to watch more amazing content.